Hello again, this is Tom with another Monday networking tip. So today I want to talk about the importance of just having conversations with strangers. That's right, sometimes when you're out and about in the world, you just need to make eye contact, smile at people, and ask them how they're doing, because you never know when that conversation is going to lead to an opportunity that could come back to serve both you and the other person. Recently, I was in a Starbucks and I just started chatting with the person sitting next to me. He was a young gentleman, about 23 years old, and we ended up talking for about 40 minutes about his career and life and sort of making a plan of where to go. At the end of the conversation, I shook his hand and we parted ways, but he said to me something very interesting. He's like, "Would you mind if I followed you on LinkedIn? I'd love to keep in touch." And I said, "Of course." And then he added, I don't think I've ever had a conversation with somebody who was a stranger while sitting in a Starbucks. This was fantastic. I'm so inspired." Now, I don't know if I'll ever hear from him again, and that's okay, but here's the interesting thing. We cross paths with so many people who are so interesting, who we can learn from, who we can inspire. I really enjoyed talking with this young man, and I got a lot out of the conversation as well. Plus, when I walked out of Starbucks, I just felt good because I interacted with another human being in a positive manner. So often these days, we're just not. We're buried in our phones, we're not speaking to strangers, and I think we're missing out on an element of humanity that really matters. So don't just talk to people in your company or when you're at a networking function. Instead, when it's appropriate, just start a conversation. You never know where it's going to lead and just how much that other person or you need that little bit of human connection. So today, at some point, while you're standing in line at a coffee shop or you're waiting, to pick up a sandwich at lunchtime, just turn to somebody next to you, make a little eye contact, smile, and talk about something. They may shut down and not want to talk to you because this is the world we live in. Or you might have a delightful conversation. Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you tried this. I know most of you won't, but let me know if you tried this and if it led to an interesting conversation or maybe the spark of something that could become a friendship or a conduit to doing more business. Hey, thanks for watching these Monday tips. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, and I hope that our paths cross at some point.